Now welcome to your beautiful home.
MetroGuide Realty, your Metro Manila real estate guide, brings you our latest open house tour for a brand new corner house and lot for sale located in an accessible community in BF Homes, Paranaque City, Metro Manila. So here are perspectives of this modern, well-designed, and stylish home, and join us as we begin this property tour.
Hi, this is Bautista from MetroGuide Realty and welcome to our latest open house tour for a brand new 5-bedroom corner house and lot for sale located in an accessible community here in BF Homes, Paranaque City, Metro Manila. So right now we're gonna tour you through this beautiful home, but before we do that, let's take a quick look at this property's features.
Beginning with the property size, it has a floor area of 276 square meters and a corner lot area of 269 square meters. For the specific home features, it has 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, a 3-car garage, a powder room, a second floor family hallway, a wide frontage being on a corner lot, a landscape garden area, an auxiliary kitchen, a maid's room, and a living space with an open concept design. And all in an accessible community near Aguirre Avenue with access to Sucat Road and the airport. Now let's begin.
Let's go. Now welcome to your beautiful home. Upon entering the home, you're welcomed by a hallway leading to your living space. But before we go there, let's take a quick look here at your first bedroom. This room is a corner room with beautiful cove lighting and LED lights. You can use this as a guest room or as a bedroom if you have family members who would rather stay on the ground floor. And it comes with its own well-designed bathroom. After coming out from the first bedroom, you'll see that this area actually serves as your foyer. That's why there's a provision here for a small table. There's a plug there, and you can have a light installed there. And now let's look at your living space.
The living, dining, and kitchen areas are all connected to one another in one open and cohesive space.
Your living space is situated here in the corner of the property that's facing the east side of the property. So this enjoys the morning sun, and at the same time, it's very cool here in the afternoons. It also has these large windows which let in a lot of natural light. So imagine this is a fantastic place to entertain guests. And you already have access here leading to the second floor. You will have the option if you'd like to place guardrails here as well. And you have a nice landscape area here in the corner of the property. So let's take a look. We're taking this video in the afternoon, and this is a very quiet and cool corner of the property. You can really appreciate the architecture of the house from this side. And you can even walk all the way across, all around the house from here. So this side of the house gives you access to the living, dining space, and all the way to the utility area at the back of the home. Let's head back in. So you can open up both these doors. And here we have the dining area. So it's an open plan concept design, and you have your powder room over here. So you have this wall over here upon entering the home wherein you can have a large TV set, or you can have a large painting over here which guests can see once they come in. Or you can have the television set over here on this side, and you can have your dining set over here. So it's up to you how you want to orient it, and you can even make it more refreshing and more ventilated by opening these up. So it becomes a lot cooler and more open in terms of the feeling in the area. And from here you have the kitchen space. This open kitchen space is designed to have a large refrigerator over here, and it's up to you how you want to cut this out, where you want to put your range hood and oven. But in terms of how open it is, you can actually open the window area here. So this is a great spot which shows you that this property actually opens up in so many ways from the living, dining, and kitchen space. And it even opens up here to an auxiliary kitchen. Your auxiliary kitchen already has a dirty kitchen space. You already have storage and a space here for laundry. That door leads to your maid's quarters with its own bathroom. And over here, you have a pressure tank and you have access leading to your kitchen, dining, and living space. And over here, you have a security gate on this side of the property leading to the garage area. And on the other side of the property, in the landscape garden, you also have a security gate. So the property is secure, but if you would like to add an additional gate across the parking space, that can also be requested. So let's head back in. After appreciating the open plan design of the ground floor, let's now head on over to the second floor where we have 4 more bedrooms. Let's go. Welcome to the second floor of this home where you're welcomed by a spacious family hallway. This family hallway or den area is a great spot for the family to gather in. Even if you have guests downstairs, your family can stay up here. And it's also located on the east side of the property, so it's very cool in the afternoons. And it's also at the corner of the property, so it's also very well lit. In addition, it gives a very bright and open atmosphere to the second level of the home. And it even has this balcony feature, which is not that big, but its main feature is you can open it up and it lets a lot of air and ventilation into the area. So it cools off the area in the mornings or in the afternoons. There. Let's now head on over to the master bedroom. So I'd like you to notice the nice cove lighting design here in the hallway. So it gives a very elegant feel to the area. The master bedroom is oriented here at the west side of the property. That's why we have the afternoon sun. It's a corner room, so it's also well lit. As you'll notice, the rooms in this property have a great combination of white walls and an elegant pattern, wood flooring. And the rooms also have a provision for split-type air conditioning units. And from the master bedroom, we have access here to a walk-in closet. Let's now take a look here at the third bedroom. The third bedroom is also located here on the west side of the property and is facing the street. But it's a corner room, so it's very well lit. And it comes with well-designed custom cabinetry. So usually when you inspect properties, you can really see right away if the cabinets are flimsy or not well made, but these are really well constructed. And it also comes with its own bathroom. Let's now take a look at the fourth bedroom. The fourth bedroom is unique such that it's located in the middle of the property in front of the house facing the street. Since it's in the middle of the house, the one side of the house has the morning sun, the other side of the house has the afternoon sun. So this room perpetually remains quite cool. And it also comes with its own custom cabinetry and its own bathroom. Let's now take a look here at the fifth bedroom. The fifth bedroom is located right above the living area. So it's also located here in the coolest corner of the house in the afternoons. It's east facing as well. And you have a provision here for a split type air conditioning unit. And it also comes with the storage cabinetry. And its own bathroom. So I'd just like to note that every single room in this property, all 5 bedrooms have their own bathroom plus a powder room downstairs. So that ends our quick property tour video of this brand new 5-bedroom corner house and lot for sale located here in BF Homes, Paranaque City, Metro Manila. We hope you enjoyed that quick property tour video of this brand new 5-bedroom corner house and lot for sale located here in BF Homes, Paranaque City, Metro Manila. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. If you want to be notified of our future videos, just click that like button and that subscribe button. Once again, my name is Bautista from MetroGuide Realty. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bring you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.
Here's one more look at the clean and modern design of this brand new 5-bedroom home in Paranaque City, Metro Manila. Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.